Hi again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos and A Car's Life, bringing in another wonderful square body Suburban. Yes, imagine that. We've had a few of these go on Bring a Trailer last couple of years, all restorations, full restorations, top to bottom, and beautiful paint finish. Pretty much everything's new on this thing. Brand new tires all the way around, refinished wheels, brand new grille, brand new lights, brand new emblems, brand new paint, brand new stripes, brand new trim, brand new windshield, brand new rubbers, brand new weather seals. Geez, the list goes on and on. We got a 2.5-inch lift on this thing by Rough Country. That's a spring lift, not just a block lift. But this is a half-ton 1987 GMC Suburban Sierra Classic. And it is absolutely beautiful. So we try to finish our vehicles to the point where you won't have to do anything and you can really enjoy the finish and fit work of everything on here. And then the dry ice undercarriage is absolutely beautiful on it too. So it's just an incredible truck, but this is one of those ones where you look up close. It's nice everywhere you look. Up close, beautiful. Brand new grille, brand new emblem up there, brand new emblem there. Beautiful paint finish, polished beautifully. Brand new windshield, full repaint on this thing. Dry ice cleaning in the engine, dry ice cleaning underneath the vehicle. Complete undercarriage was dry ice cleaned. Refinished wheel wells. All those are redone to brand new. See the beautiful suspension. When you see the pictures, all the new trim, this is all brand new trim on it. We took the mirrors off and polished those out professionally so they look like brand new again. Just beautiful work everywhere. It's got the worn hubs on it, which I don't think that was factory. Somebody could tell me the difference, but I don't think they came from the factory with worn hubs on them. But you can see the paint and finish is beautiful. This is obviously the original color of the vehicle. We kept that, and you'll notice that we just recently had a Chevrolet version of this in an 85. Suburban, same exact color combination. We bought the two vehicles within 10 days of each other. Just kind of unique that we got the same exact color combination, but one's a GMC with the barn doors and the bucket seats, and this one has all the things that everybody likes. Towing package on there. We've got receipts on the service of this vehicle dating back to brand new, even the window sticker, highly maintained, rebuilt engine in it. It's just really an exceptional vehicle. Air blows ice cold in it. This unit does not have the rear air conditioning, but interior is absolutely gorgeous. When you look at this. Look at this interior, it's stunning. We did put a brand new headliner in this vehicle. That's all brand new. The other one was starting to sag, so I thought, we got to take care of that. Carpets look beautiful. All the little trim pieces are there on the car. All the paneling, everything that's tan inside, we gutted this interior. Polished out all the plates there for entry, re-dyed every piece of interior trim to the original color, so all that's brand new, re-dyed. We actually have probably easily 1,000 hours in all the work that we did on this thing. Every piece of every component was re-dyed and refinished on the interior. It's just absolutely beautiful everywhere you look. Very few flaws. It's not flawless. I mean, I hate saying things are flawless, but we like to keep it original if we can. Like these are all original. But when we need to, we make sure that all that's brand new. All your window felts and rubbers, those are all new on there. All the door seal rubbers, all new front to rear. Again, this is beautiful inside. The dash is original, and it had a couple of little teeny cracks. See one over there. And we did some repairs on the dash, but overall the dash was beautiful, so we're not going to replace that. All the power windows work, power locks work. We pay attention to a lot of details. Under the hood, the insulation pad is brand new. See, the wheel wells are in beautiful shape. Engine runs absolutely perfect. K&N filter in there. Brand new radiator bottle. We didn't like how the other one looked. We liked a nice clean one, so we wanted it clean. So there it is, nice and clean. Again, very, very nicely done. Very well finished. And when you see the pictures of the undercarriage, you'll be very impressed with how that looks as well. And these tires don't have, literally they don't have 25 miles on them. They're brand new. Just bought them, put them on. Everything works inside. Air blows ice cold. Radio works. All your power windows work. Every one. Oh, there's that one there. Car's window works. Power locks work. So let's go for a spin. Tilt steering wheel, cruise control. Got a Flowmaster exhaust on it. Sounds beautiful. We spent about 2 years doing the restoration on this vehicle. Paint and body, we've got pictures of when we bought it. It wasn't bad. It just had just enough fade and chips and nicks. Just didn't have that pop that we like to see on our Suburban, so we brought it down and made it a beautiful finish that's about like factory again. We like them that way. You know, you'll be pleased with it. Truck runs fantastic. Got 4-wheel steering alignment on this thing. This is a 2-inch lift. We try not to miss anything when we're doing our restorations on these. So we hope that you won't have anything that you'll need to do once you get it. Steering column in this thing was, the steering wheel itself was like loose when we got the vehicle. We pulled that out and rebuilt the steering column. Just a lot of little things that you normally never see done. We did. The fan on the air conditioning, the fan speed didn't work. We fixed that and repaired that. A lot of money was spent on this restoration, taking care of every little thing that we wanted to make sure that was very nice. We don't like to miss an inch. And we put these on Bring a Trailer for a reason. We love our buyers on Bring a Trailer. We love the community. Been doing this for years with Bring a Trailer. If you have any questions, I respond very quickly. I'm usually watching the auction by the hour daily. So I'm always going to be there to answer any questions I can. In this video, at the end, you'll see my phone number posted if you have any questions there. It's easy to get a hold of me. You can also direct message me on Bring a Trailer if you have any questions. We make shipping arrangements for our clients and buyers all over the world. Very easy to do. We've been doing this for 23 years, so we enjoy our clientele. We always want happy clients too. I'll never state perfection. Nothing's ever perfect. But I'll tell you, it's about as close to that as it can possibly get. I mean, it's just a beautiful rig that's been nicely restored and shouldn't give any complaints to somebody. And I know that it's going to be a deal too for somebody. So thanks again. This is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos, and we'll see you next time with another great vehicle.